Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into the rich flavors of Goan cuisine with a special treat, silver ribbon fish Jeerem Meerem. Silver ribbon fish is also known as Bale in Goa. If you are a seafood lover, you are in for a real treat. Silver ribbon fish, known for its delicate flavor, is a perfect choice for this classic Goan curry. We are going to infuse it with the aromatic blend of cumin and black peppercorns that defines Jeerem Meerem. Get ready to be transported to the sunny beaches of Goa with every bite. This curry is packed with flavor, easy to make and perfect for a satisfying meal. We'll guide you through every step from marinating the fish to creating that authentic Goan taste. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. This recipe is perfect for both seasoned home cooks and those just starting out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Ready to embark on this culinary journey? So now let's begin. So take 500 grams bale or silver ribbon fish, wash and cut in 5 cm length, add some salt to taste and give this a nice mix. And marinate this for about half an hour. Then take a mixer jar, add 7 garlic cloves, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 11 cloves, 25 black peppercorns, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 5 tablespoon water, and then blend this until it is nice and smooth. So the masala is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 2 onions chopped and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry this until the tomato is soft. Then add the Jeerem Meerem masala and fry this for about a minute. Make sure the masala is nicely cooked. Then add 3 cm round tamarind soaked in water for about 20 minutes. Add just the tamarind water and not the pulp. Make sure you nicely squeeze it to remove all the flavor. Then add 1 cup water and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and give this a nice mix. Then add the marinated fish and then cover it and allow it to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Then give this a nice mix and cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering silver ribbon fish Jeerem Meerem. This classic Goan curry is bursting with flavor and incredibly satisfying. The delicate taste of silver ribbon fish pairs perfectly with the aromatic spice blend. Serve this curry with steamed white rice or Goan bread for a truly authentic experience. You can also experiment with different types of fish to discover your favorite version of Jeerem Meerem. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious Goan recipes. And if you try this recipe, be sure to tag me on social media. I'd love to see your creation. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.